So welcome again everyone to the Deep Learning for NLP lecture in summer semester 2020 at TU Darmstadt. My name is Steffen Eger. I will be giving this lecture together with my PhD student Wei Xiao and two further students that I will introduce later on. Let me briefly sketch the research profile of my group. My group's name is Natural Language Learning Group, Nllg. The group's interest is of course in natural language processing, as the name already suggests, and more recently we're especially focused in humanities applications. If you click on the link up here, you will find more information about the group, in particular recent research papers, also about courses and about open positions. My research interests are of course in natural language processing, and they are also of course methodological wise in deep learning, because deep learning is the most powerful, the most influential research paradigm in AI, in artificial intelligence and machine learning that we currently have. But within this broad topic, my special interest is recently in four subfields. The first one is cross and multilinguality, where we want to process not only text that is written in English, but also in other languages, and ideally in all of the world's languages that exist. And in particular, one core research question is how can we develop systems that transfer from English to other languages, right? How can we develop a system that performs well in German when only having seen English text during its training? Besides space, a second dimensionality of interest is time. How can we develop systems that are trained on newspaper text from the 21st century and apply them to text data that stems from the 19th or 18th century? Thirdly, one of my current interests is automatic poetry generation. Poetry is a very refined and complex form of human communication. So the question is artificial intelligence, is AI already mature enough to mimic such complex form of human communication? Fourthly, I'm interested in evaluation. Evaluation is important because if your evaluation is not good, you are misled about the true capacities of your models. And evaluation is especially difficult in tasks such as machine translation, because there is an infinitude of different manners in which one and the same meaning can be expressed in different surface forms. So this non-uniqueness of solutions makes the problem really difficult, really hard, and really interesting. In terms of courses, I'm offering 4 courses, 2 seminars and 2 lectures. So the 2 seminars are listed up here. The first one is Deep Learning and Digital Humanities, which is always held in the winter semester. If you go to that link, you will see the topics that we were discussing about in last winter semester. Currently, I'm offering a seminar called Meta Science, which will probably be offered every summer semester. Here's the GitHub link. You can still register. What we're doing in the seminar is we try to peek a little bit behind science. So maybe we want to peek into fraud in science. Are some authors trying to seem more impactful than they actually are? So what strategies are authors using to make themselves more attractive? Maybe we also want to predict how impactful a given research paper will be in the future. So these are very important and interesting questions, and if you're interested, feel free to visit us. It will be a blog seminar, so there will only be 1 or 2 sessions overall during the whole semester. Thirdly, in terms of lectures, I'm giving the current Deep Learning for NLP lecture every summer semester now for the last couple of years, and the topic of that you will see as we progress in today's video. Fourthly, I will be holding a more elementary and introductory course on foundations of language technologies, which in the winter semester 2020-2021 I will be holding for the first time. So that's already it. Theses are available if you're interested in joining us. We always have something available for you. If the currently listed theses are not of particular interest to you, feel free to shoot me an email and maybe discuss other possible topics. I always have also Hiwi positions available during mostly all times of the year. So if you're interested in that, also just send me an email and we can see what kind of funding I will have available for that.